To create a blog post, we're going to start by going to your content, blogs, articles. From here, you're going to go ahead and click add. Once the page loads, you'll see article title here. You can put the name of your article, your author. In the introduction here, this is going to be a brief description that's going to show on your article list page or your blog post listings. The description, that's going to be your actual article, so you're going to fill out everything that you're going to post in here for your blog post. It's going to go under the description. Your meta tag title, this is going to be the title that shows in the browser, and then your meta tag description is going to show in your Google search results and on other search engines under the meta tag title description. And then your keywords here, these are also going to work within your searches. So it's important to make sure that your keywords are relevant to whatever content you have in your blog is. Under your data tab, you're going to have an image here. This is just going to be a regular image for your blog. And then you have your image for your social network. Now this image is required to be 1024 by 512. That is specific to a banner image that goes up at the top of the page for your Instagram or Facebook, Twitter, things like that. Your SEO keyword, that is going to be the URL that you are assigning to your domain. So it will show, your domain / whatever you type in here will be the URL link for this article or this blog post. Bottom, this is to, if you have it set in your theme to display blog posts or articles in the footer, this right here will enable that or disable it for this post. Now you don't have to show your title always in your blog settings. You can actually turn it off right here if you don't want to show you the title and you just want to have the blog post itself without any title in it. You can disable this. If you're needing to link to the description, here's some information about what this involves. Showing in the sitemap. Now this here will enable this to show in your blog sitemap. That's in your feed settings. If you enable this here, it will show this blog post or article in your sitemap, which you can share with Google. Of course, this is the date of your blog post. You can start this blog post and end this blog post on a specific date as well. If you only want it to display within these two date ranges, you can do that. Your store order, this is the number in which the blog, article, or post shows up in your search results. So if you want it to be at the very top, 0 would be the very top, 1 would be the second one down, then 2, then 3, then 4, and so on. Of course, you can disable this post right here or enable it if you're planning on this being live currently. If you're just editing it, you would want to keep it disabled until you're finished with the entire post, and then you can enable it later. Your stores, this is which store this blog post is going to be associated to. You can have it associated to one or more stores. Your article tags, you can assign tags. After you've created all of your article tags in your article tag section, you can actually come in here and just assign a tag that you want this blog article to post to or assign to. In some cases, you can have, information tags here. You can also assign related products. Now, this is a good feature here if your blog contains any products within it, like a description of a product, or maybe you're talking about a specific product. You can link that product right here so that people can find that product within your blog. Your design tab, this is the design. This will just link to your layout that you have. You can link it to, if you created a specific layout, you can link it to that specific layout. You can choose different layouts for different stores. So if you're linking this blog post to multiple stores, you'd want to assign it to different layouts for each store. In this case, I'm just going to use information, and it's only linking to the default, so that's what you would choose. After that, you can save your blog post. All of these fields are required before you can save. It would take too long in the video to go and fill all of this out, so I'm not going to, but after you've filled out all the areas where the little red star is beside it, you can click save. Once you save it, it will appear within your article list here with options to edit and modify it. And that is how you create